Hey guys, good morning, happy Monday. Tip of the day, clean your rain gutters once a year.
At least,
Yeah.
depending on where you live.
Yeah. What do you got there, Rich? A 10-pounder?
Yeah, man.
Let's look at that root system.
Big mouth bass.
Yeah.
Look at this thing, man. It's like pulling some kind of reptilian monster out of the Amazon or something. Look at this root system right here, growing up inside the thing. Look at that.
See that, guys?
Growing up inside the what do you call it? Sheet metal.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's crazy.
So hey guys, make sure you join Rich and I on our next video.